Okay guys, this is why we love what we do. We get cars like this on a weekly basis. We got a Rolls-Royce, old school, Mr. Johnson. All right, he drove all the way down from Alabama to get his car worked on by the best, my wheel doctor, okay? Louisiana, drove down from Louisiana. Can you believe that? We're in Houston, Texas. This guy drove down to Louisiana to have the professionals do his car. Now, here's a problem. He's got some Ashante wheels, and for this car, it's not the right wheel. It's a low grade Ashante, and it's eating the chrome because this is not a real deal chrome. So what we're going to do, we're going to custom paint these wheels for him to save him from having to buy new wheels. Also, he's got some oxidation in the door handles. I don't know if you guys can see that pitting there. We're going to sand that with a very fine grit sandpaper and buff it out, and it's all over the chrome. Now, this is our specialty. This is what we do. We love correcting and doing paint correction, custom painting wheels, and helping people save money. So instead of him buying new wheels, we are going to custom paint the ones that he has now. So mywheeldoctor.com, 713-942-0294. This is another reason why we are the best.